Hick? Huh? What was that? Hick, Professor Chow Chow, help!
Classic hiccups. Let's take a peek inside. When you eat too fast or drink fizzy stuff, your diaphragm, the muscle below your lungs, gets jumpy and spasms. That makes your vocal cords snap shut. Hic.
So it's not gremlins, just a jellyfish muscle doing karate?
Exactly.
How do I stop it? Should I do a headstand?
Or be surprised by a dancing goose.
Hick, hey, it's gone. The goose worked. So hiccups are just my diaphragm throwing a fizzy fit.
Right you are. Slow sips, deep breaths, and maybe a goose on standby.